going to show you how to make your very own heat protectant spray for blow drying your natural hair coming up in this video. Frequently I've been asked the question, how is it that your clients retain so much length? How is it that your clients here are so healthy? How are they thriving so well if each time you shampoo, deep condition their hair, you use a blow dryer? And I have your answer. I use a concoction that I use to make a heat protectant spray that I apply to their hair before blow drying it, and that is what helps it to retain all that length, to be so healthy, even though I'm using heat on their hair on most of their visits to the salon. Hi, if you're meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care, natural hairstyles, and so much more. And on this channel, I post videos on how to care for your natural hair, natural hairstyles, and everything related to your natural hair health. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and also notification bell, so whenever I post new videos, you'll be informed. With all of that said, let's jump into what this video is about: your DIY heat protectant spray for blow drying or any form of heat protection. Let's do it. If you don't know, a heat protectant is a product that reduces damage to your hair when used before heat styling, for example, blow drying or flat iron, or just in case you spend long hours in the sun. It is wise to use a heat protectant on your hair. To make a very good heat protectant, you need a moisturizer, a humectant, a natural oil that penetrates and coat your hair. Okay, so this is what I'll be using to make my heat protectant. First, you need a empty spray bottle because this is going to be a spraying product. And then you're going to need an oil. I'm using sweet almond oil. You can also use coconut oil if you have high porosity hair. I'm using the Giovanni direct leave-in conditioner. This is weightless and this is awesome. You can use any conditioner that your hair likes once it's a leave-in product. I'm also using the vegetable glycerine, and this is 100% vegetable glycerine. I'll be using that because this is a humectant, and we know humectant draws moisture from the atmosphere. And I'll be using some Jamaican spring water. You don't have to be Jamaican water, right? Just use any pure water. So first I'm going to be applying water. I'm not going to give you any measurements, just eyeballing it pretty much. So my container is mostly water and I want you to make a note of that. Then I'm going to put a few drops of my leave-in conditioner in, not much, just a few, just to get all of that creamy product in. And then I'll be adding about 6 drops of vegetable glycerine. This container is about 1.5 ounces. Yeah, so once I add my glycerine, I'm going to be adding some sweet almond oil. Like I said, you could use coconut oil if you don't have sweet almond oil, especially if you have high porosity hair. Coconut oil is best to use. If you have low porosity hair, go ahead and use your sweet almond oil. And then you just simply shake that up together. It's going to become cloudy when you're through shaking it. But here's a fun fact. As the popular belief that oils fry the hair, actually it is the opposite. Oil is a very low thermal conductor. In other words, to heat the oil up to frying point, you'd have to be using a lot of heat for a continuous period of time. So basically, adding oils to your heat protectant is a great idea to coat your hair, to seal in your moisture, so while you blow dry your hair, it doesn't damage the hair. And to make that oil fry on your hair, you actually have to add excessive heat, which nobody wants to do. Okay. So here's our heat protectant spray. This is after it's settled, and now I'm going to be using on my clients Renee. If you have been watching my channel, you'll remember that Renee had very short, thin, dull, brittle hair, and now it has been improving a whole lot. Thank be to God. So I'm just spritzing her hair with the heat protectant spray on her hair. Her hair is already washed, detangled, sectioned in 4 somewhat, and she had a leave-in conditioner in it. Remember earlier I was telling you that sometimes I do couple this product with a leave-in conditioner concoction that I made. That is my shea butter recipe, and I'll link that in the description for you on how I made that product. I don't use it for all my clients. That depends on their hair's porosity and what I use before I apply the heat. For example, if I did a protein treatment, I don't necessarily use that, or if I did a moisture treatment, I may go ahead and use that as well. So I'm just blow drying this section of her hair to let you see, and I'm using my hand to keep her hair stretched. Not only that, but to feel the heat that is on her hair, to make sure that no excessive heat is added to her hair. And also you can notice that I'm blow drying Renee's hair and you're not seeing any frying going on. You're not seeing all that steam or all that heat coming off her hair. That's simply because not only that I'm blow drying it on a low setting, but simply because I use a very good heat protectant product on her hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll be happy and prompt to respond to all your questions, all your concerns, all your suggestions. Until next time, Jesus love you. Be safe, be blessed. Bye-bye.